Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the news came from the X2, the Oppo Find X2. More detailed surface about the upcoming Oppo Find X2 camera and the 120Hz displays. Yes, you hear right. Maybe the upcoming Oppo Find X2 it has a 120Hz display. Let's see in the upcoming days. But early this week, a report surfaced about the Sony sensor to the upcoming Oppo Find X2. Today reporting bring overlapping information about the cameras along with detail about the display and the core processor that works alongside the Snapdragon 865. The reports come from the leak star on Weibo, the Chinese website. The Oppo Find X2 was already reported to feature a 120Hz and 6.5-inch display, and today leaks adds to it that the ultra clear screen will have a 240Hz touch sampling rate. In addition to the QHD plus resolution, the display will also feature a 80-degree edge, so no quite that waterfall curve we have seen on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. There is also word of a new house core processor that will work alongside the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. The M1 core processor will help take some power load of the 865 with a 120Hz display and high resolution to optimize the handset battery endurance. Oppo and Sony have apparently developed the IMX689 together with a 48 megapixel 1.3-inch sensor. According to previous report, it'll come with the new omnidirectional autofocus that is set to super SAT dual pixel autofocus. This will have a secondary IMX708 sensor behind an ultra wide angle lens along with the third 13 megapixel telephoto camera capable of 5x hybrid optical zoom. And maybe the upcoming Oppo Find X2 rumor says in the past have indicated support a 50-watt wireless charging as well, though that's quite a stretch. We did not know about the full specification, but maybe the Oppo Find X smartphone runs the Android 9, the operating system, and maybe the 2.84 GHz single core processor, and it's alongside with 12 gigabytes of RAM and internal storage around 256 gigabytes of storage. Coming up to the camera department, maybe it's the rear camera has a 3 or 4, but let's see. If you have a 3 camera, it's around the 25 megapixel, 48 megapixel, and a 5 megapixel camera with a digital zoom up to 10x optical zoom, auto flash focus detection, and maybe it has a 4000 mAh battery. So guys, this is the current update about the upcoming Oppo Find X2. Let's see in upcoming days will it have a 120Hz display or not. So in the upcoming days we will hear a lots of detail about the Oppo Find X. Subscribe my channel for more latest videos about the tech and enable the bell icon for latest video notification, and let me know your thought in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.